we're going to turn this into this. Pretty cool, right? The full animation and music video is at the end of this tutorial if you want to take a look. Let's get started. First, let's pick an image. I use Midjourney. Here's the prompt. Next is picking the song. I use Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound provides tons of royalty-free music and sound effects to creators such as myself, filmmakers, and other digital media producers. Their licensing model allows creators to use their music and their content without worrying about copy infringement or paying per use. They also have a free trial, which is how I started. Here's the song I picked. Make sure to download the song locally on your machine so you can use it for the next step. One other important thing to note, if you want to post your video on somewhere like YouTube, make sure to go to your safe list in your account and add that channel. That's very important. Now, let's head over to Kaiber. Kaiber.AI is a platform that provides AI-powered video editing tools to create captivating videos in a few easy steps. Kaiber does have a free version if you sign up. There are a few limitations, including a watermark, but it's a great way to try the platform for free and see how it goes. Once you sign up, you can simply click on the Create Video button. There are a few options in this step. You could just simply pick the original image that you wanted to use for the tutorial without adding a song, or you could include both. There are a lot of different options for camera movement direction. If you have the credits, I recommend testing each one, just a short tiny video, maybe 3 to 7 seconds, to see how each one looks. But so far I've liked zoom in the most. Unchecking enabled will exclude the original image in your prompt from the final output of the video. For evolve, the higher the value is, the wilder the video will be. Adjusting the value of audio reactivity is only available if you've included a song in the original prompt. Before you proceed with generating the video, make sure to double check the credit costs. Okay, this is the last step. If you've got everything set up and ready to go, click the button Generate. Now go back to the My Videos section. Keep in mind it could take several minutes for your video to finish depending on how long the video is, as well as how much traffic there is on the platform at that time. After the video is complete, click anywhere inside of the video itself to go to another page to see the entire video in full screen. Alright, we're almost done. There are a few last things I want to talk about. The first video produced is in 720p, but you have the option to upscale it with one additional step. The upscale can be either 1080 or 4K, each of which has a separate additional cost, so keep that in mind. Other than that, you're all set and ready to go. If you'd like to watch the full video that was introduced at the beginning of this tutorial, here it is. Thank you.